In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add properties to a page in Notion. Properties let you organize information with fields like status, dates, tags, people, and more. Let's get started. Open the Notion page where you want to add properties. If it's a regular page, click the Add Properties button near the top of the page. If the button isn't visible, open the Page menu and choose to show page properties. Click Add Property, then choose the type of property you want to add. You can select options like status, date, select, multi-select, checkbox, number, person, or other property types depending on your needs. Give the property a name, then enter or select its value. You can repeat the process to add as many properties as you need. If you're working inside a database, open any database item as a page. The properties appear at the top of the page where you can click Add Property to create a new property for the entire database or edit the values for that page. Properties make it much easier to organize, filter, sort, and track your information across your Notion workspace. That's how to add properties to a page in Notion. Thanks for watching.